Hello friends, welcome to your channel. Thanks for watching this video which is about career in Geographical Information System GIS. In this short video, I have explained about career in GIS. Please watch this video from the beginning till the end without skipping. First thing you should know is the basics of GIS. GIS involves the systematic method for collecting, managing, analyzing, modeling, and presenting spatial data. It is a technology that can store, analyze, and visualize data on Earth's surface for spatial positioning. A Geographic Information System (GIS) is a conceptualized framework that provides the ability to capture and analyze spatial and geographical data. So this is the basic of GIS. Where GIS used, which I have given here, that are forecasting, predicting weather, rocket, airplane, or for more navigations. Third is pinpointing new store locations. Fourth one is analyzing crime patterns. Fifth one is routing in-car navigation. So Google Map is a typical example of an internet-based GIS mapping solution which we use for daily navigation. Third one you should know is the difference between GIS and remote sensing. GIS is a computer-based tool for mapping and analyzing features and events on Earth, whereas remote sensing is the science of collecting data regarding an object or a phenomena without any physical contact with the object. Remote sensing is a specialized domain within the broad field for GIS. Fourth one you should know what are the GIS experts' functions. Designing graphic representations using different hardware or software applications. Managing geospatial database. Developing maps. Developing aerial photography. Research works. A GIS expert should be able to conduct demography, market, and other researches to expand existing databases. Analyzing GIS data. A GIS expert should also be able to identify spatial relationships or display results of analysis by using maps, graphs, or tabular data. Maintaining and modifying the existing GIS database should be a continuous process. Should also enter data into GIS databases using techniques such as coordinate geometry, keyboard entry of tabular data, manual digitizing of maps, and conversion of other sources of digital data. What are the academic routes to become a GIS expert, which I have given here? BSc or BTech in Geoinformatics, MSc or MTech in Geoinformatics, or certification in GIS technology, BA or BSc in Geography, or PG diploma in GIS. BTech Computer Science with specialization in GIS. BTech with specialization in GIS. So these are the routes, academic routes to become a GIS expert. You have to join a reputed college to build a career in this field, and the reputed college should have or should provide GIS specific course, programming and application skills, internships, which play an important role as it provides GIS aspirants with practical knowledge. Employers, companies prefer those students who have gone through practical training in GIS and enormous industrial exposure. And the reputed college should also provide either placement assistance or placement guarantee. So you have to go through the placement records of the previous years of the reputed college where you want to get admission into. You should also know the best master's degree options after your undergraduation. These are the best master's degree options programs which I have given, that is MTech Geoinformatics, MTech GIS, MTech Remote Sensing, MSc Geoinformatics, MSc Geoscience, MSc Remote Sensing and Geospatial Science, ME Geoinformatics and MA Geography. So you have to make a thorough research about the reputation of the college, fees structure, any placement assistance or campus recruitment have been conducted during the last 2-3 years. After making a thorough research, you join a reputed college. What are the skills which are must for GIS experts or to become a GIS expert? First one is database knowledge. A GIS expert should understand the particular case of spatial data and carry out several operations where they are applicable. Next is programming skills. Must possess expertise in programming languages required to build workflows or custom solutions. Python and C++ are the examples for programming languages. Next one is analytical skills. A GIS expert should have analytical skills to solve various problems. Critical thinking skill also is necessary for a GIS expert. A GIS expert should also have critical thinking skills to face various issues related to mapping and analytical issues. Next is communication skills. To manage a team and or to coordinate with it, effective communication skill is must for any GIS expert. Next one is updating technical knowledge. Due to technological advancement day by day, a GIS expert should also update his or her technical knowledge to be competitive in the market. And what are the career opportunities available or how to seize the career opportunities in this field? GIS is an ever-evolving field that is a growing market and emerging market for self-driving cars, increasing adoption of innovative home technology, and widespread availability of sophisticated drone technology. Also, competitive salaries are offered for GIS experts. It is expected the market worth would be around 18 billions by 2023. There is also a rapid increase in demand for skilled GIS experts in future. So GIS will definitely remain a crucial investment for businesses, non-profit organizations, research, government and academic institutions, etc. I have provided here the top colleges for GIS both for undergraduate and postgraduate programs. For undergraduate programs, you can go for SRM or VIT or IIT Chennai or Christ University or Anna University or NIT or NIIT University or UPES. For PG group programs, you can search for the particular courses either in IITs or SRM or IIST, Indian Institute of Space Technology, IIRS, IIEST, Symphysis or Anna universities. Please make a thorough research about all these universities or colleges individually, about the course fees, campus recruitment, duration of the courses, internships, what are the past placement records, everything. You please go through the websites of respective colleges. You will get a clear idea where you should get admission for a bright future. This video is useful and informative for you to build a career in GIS. Please keep watching our useful videos in future also for more career advice, tips, alerts, news on job vacancies, education, etc. Thanks for watching.